Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add echo effects to audio in Capcut. This effect can add depth to your audio and make your clip sound unique. Let's dive in. Open a Capcut app and create a new project or continue an existing one. Then go to the bottom menu and tap Audio Effect. This will bring up a list of sound effects you can apply. The next step is to choose the echo effect. Scroll through the effects until you find echo. Tap on it to apply the effect to your audio. You will hear the echo effect immediately, giving your sound a spacious repeating quality.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you need to fine-tune the effect, you can adjust the intensity to make the echo more subtle or more pronounced. Play around with it until you get the sound just right. And that's it guys, you've successfully added an echo effect to your audio in Capcut. Thank you so much for watching and happy editing. Bye bye.